involving minors. There were proposals to ban the use of social media for minors, specifically under 16. And there were also proposals to lower the age of criminal liability, now at 15 years old. What is your take on this?
The age of to ano
Criminal liability.
yeah, but no, they are even talking down to 12 years old. The lowering the sexualization of young people has the same effect. The complete availability of pornography. And look, so when it comes to sex and violence, there really is an effect. The social media really has had an effect. Kasi laro lang naman eh. Kasi kahit na mabaril yan sa game, bumaril ka ng 50 tao, nabubuhay pa naman yan eh. All of these possible actions to be taken, like the banning of a certain, we banned already the game that yung shooters sa Tacloban were apparently avid players of. So we're looking to, you see, here's the problem. The problem is that yung mga ganon, I'm sure all of you have seen on these games and how they're played, it desensitizes killing and violence. Kasi laro lang naman eh. Kasi kahit na mabaril yan sa game, bumaril ka ng 50 tao, nabubuhay pa naman yan eh. So it desensitizes the kid. Now, it's not really that big a deal to shoot somebody. And that's really, for me, the problem. On the other side of that question is whether we should lower the age of to ano
Criminal liability.
yeah, but no, they are even talking down to 12 years old. I'm not sure how that will work. If we have to study it further. Yung mga ating mga child psychologists, yung mga surveys na ginagawa about the mental health of children, kailangan pag-aralan na mabuti yan. Because if we are lowering the age of responsibility for such crimes, then it would imply that children have changed from before. So whereas if they are under 18, under 16, nagbago ba ang pag-iisip ng mga bata? I'm not saying that that's not the case. It's possible. Nag-iba mundo eh. Iba yung exposure ng mga bata eh. Iba yung exposure nila sa social media. Nung lumalaki ako, wala namang ganyan eh. So maybe that has an effect. We're not sure. But we're studying it very, very well because the effect is yung desensitization. That's also the lowering the sexualization of young people has the same effect. The complete availability of pornography. And look, we all have they talk about this site and that site. And nalagay lang, are you 18 or not? A 5-year-old can answer that properly, di ba? So what kind of test is that? So when it comes to sex and violence, there really is an effect. The social media really has had an effect. But what that effect truly is something that's not as easy to answer as perhaps some of the other issues. So that requires some not further study, further study, but some of the opinions of our experts who make it their life's work to study the psychology of children, the effect of social media on children, and their actions that they do when they are not playing those games. So patuloy lang ang ating gagawin. But of course, when it is clear that a certain game or a class of games are responsible for the desensitization of our children to violence, then yes, I think we should ban them, and we will ban them.